Craftsmanship, integrated into manufacture making. Skill, strict for details. Concentrated, pursuit of perfection. Because we believe only the craftsmanship never disappoint times. Concentrated, skill, and pursuit of perfection. This is a spirituality and also a responsibility for Weixiang people. Don't care a short-term financial results. Do every details well on the ground and keep to match and meet requirements from clients. These are values for company. Weixiang Company was founded in 2013. After many years, company has developed a platform of CNC machining with production, sales, and service. In 2016, company was focused on industry's field of developed sustainable more, such as sensor automation, fluid system, process control, auto, aerospace, microwave communication, optic medical, with right machining solutions for clients in various fields. From raw materials to production, from testing to packaging, control strict and specification with process, each and detail each. To be ensured quality and safety for products from root, company will always focus on the field of machining in the current and future. Also keep to be integrated and get in strategic resources from raw materials, equipments, heat treatment, surface treatment, etc. Supply chain upstream. Help global clients in various fields to create values more. Company hold a complete production system and management system. Matured machining projects incubated by headquarters Shenzhen will be copied and mass production by the branch factories through their exclusive branch factories for machining in various industrial fields under headquarters, and exclusive branch factories will be serviced for global clients in various fields with scale of production and automation to be matched and meet an individual demand for global clients in various fields.
段总，您觉得如何才能经营好一家机加工企业？
第一点就是定位，明白自己要做什么，能做什么，调研市场，做好工厂定位、市场定位。第二点就是管理体系，制定一个适合自己产业的管理体系，企业的不同阶段追求不同的管理方式，不断调整和优化。第三点就是品质，要把这个行业做精做细，技术和产品是核心竞争力，用匠心去做，苛求细节，致力完美。